did not cut my hair, like, because it's really looking like it right now. My hair is just back in a low little ponytail here. So of course today's video is actually going to be in partnership with DIVASWIGS. This is what the packaging looks like here. Just a nice clean white box. You guys know I usually like to store my wigs back in its original packaging, so I enjoy good packaging, especially when it's just kind of like boom, really sleek, pop and go. So let's get into the details of this unit. So the wig that I'm wearing, of course, all the details are actually, I don't have on a wig now, but the wig that I will be trying on, of course, all those details will be listed down in my description box below. The length is a 22 inch and it is an HD Swiss lace, which means it is completely transparent, which means I don't have to worry about doing that whole light brown, dark brown, medium brown, gray, all those different color laces that are just kind of like a bother, you know. The transparent lace, and I guess transparent Swiss lace, is extremely thin and it literally should melt into your skin. So this is going to be a first look. I have not tried this on at all. This is going to be straight out of the gate from the box to my head, just so that you guys can kind of see like what this is looking like. So of course when you first open up the packaging, obviously I did already open this up and I already kind of pulled the wig out. I do get a wig cap, which obviously is a new color, so if that's something that you want to kind of do, you can definitely apply this. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I kind of just want to put on the wig and kind of see what it looks like as is, just to avoid having to do that whole like meltdown situation with the glueless, with the wig cap is what I'm trying to say. Alright, so this is the unit itself. So they've already pre-curled it. This is what the inside of the cap looks like, you guys. I can already tell how thin this freaking lace is. They literally already have the hair plucked out, y'all. I'm excited. I probably need to put my hair in like a middle part. I don't know. But they've already plucked this out. They've already styled the unit. You guys can see that. Y'all, I'm actually really excited. They did a really good job of this. Let me kind of show you. Oh, and outside of that, they also gave me like a quick little brush. I think I do have like 4 or 5 brushes from them, so that's appreciated. So this is what the actual lace looks like. You guys can see how thin and how transparent this is against my skin. Not only is it transparent, but it is also extremely like smooth and soft. So that's going to be one of the major differences with these types of units, you guys. Look at that. Boom. Just so you're clearly able to see the difference, this is normal lace. The lace is a little bit thicker. Of course, it is still a light brown color, but you see how it just kind of lays on top of the skin. Obviously, this is going to be workable. Like, I could definitely do something with this, apply a little bit of foundation. It is going to kind of peek through a little bit, but you would be able to see it. It does feel very stiff, doesn't really stretch or mesh at all. So that's going to be the normal, typical lace you would work with. And then you have some companies that are advertising a HD lace, but it's actually more of a fake HD lace. Let me show you the difference in this. So you do get a darker color. You do actually can see that it is a little bit more transparent. This is also workable, but the difference is, you see, it doesn't really have that stretch to it. It is a little bit softer than the first lace that I showed you, but it is, you can still kind of see it just a little bit. In my opinion, this is a good fake, not even gonna lie, but I want to show you DIVASWIGS Swiss lace. So again, just showing you this again. Look at that. Literally, like, you can't, bro, you don't even see where it starts or finishes. So those are going to be the major differences. Sorry, y'all. So those are going to be the major differences in the lace, which is going to be extremely important when it comes to installing your wigs. I know everybody wants the arrogant Tay wig slay look, so I definitely understand that, but it is not always simply in his technique. Okay, he is an amazing artist, but it is also the lace. He has really great quality wigs, and DIVASWIGS have come through. So I'm really excited about this. I really should have parted my hair in the middle part. I'm thinking, we're gonna see kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and trim the lace off of the back and then apply the wig, and I will be right back. As I get ready to start to apply the wig, you guys can kind of see here where it actually already has the clips to be able to apply that elastic band. There's also a comb here, which is gonna add a little bit more security, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach this here. So it's like that bra strap type of clasp, or I guess band, which is going to be really helpful because of course we want this to be glueless. We don't want to have to do much to it. So I'm applying this on both sides. You guys can see it's really easy and beginner friendly just to apply. So I'm just clipping those on, and then I'm going to go ahead and adjust the back of the wig cap as well here. And I like to put my wigs on like the tightest possible band, just so that it really kind of snugs my head, because y'all know got a big head. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yo, do y'all see, bro? No, I'm not even gonna lie. This is like, I keep getting better and better wigs throughout this year. Like, the year's not even over. I don't know why I get so excited about doing wig reviews, but I really love doing this. I just want y'all to know that. But it's always so surprising to me, I guess, to see how companies kind of just like figure this stuff out. You guys, they have this lace tweezed to a T, like to a T. If you want, you could probably go back and just randomly pluck out some hair so that it's not so uniform here. That's what I'm gonna do. But y'all, I don't have to do anything to this. And you guys literally see that my hair is pulled. Y'all, I'm cheesing. I'm dead. So, and I'm actually just gonna go ahead and randomly kind of tweeze out some of these spots, just because I really want this to just lay as natural as possible. So just randomly, just to kind of take that uniformity out of the hairline a little bit. But to be honest, y'all know I obsess over wigs. I can't even talk. I obsess over my wigs. So the average person could just literally pop this on and go. You wouldn't have to do anything to it. Like, bro, I'm lit right now. This lace looks amazing. I can't even see what needs to be cut and what does not. Oh no. Okay, Diva Wigs, we're gonna have to team up, because I think I'm gonna need to switch my vendor. Like, seriously, bro. Okay, I see what's going on. Diva Wigs is now my wig competition. I see what's going on. You guys, this is so amazing. This lace looks really good, and you guys can see I'm just literally pulling out some hair. The hair already comes styled, so you don't really have to do much. If you want to, like I said, tweeze this up, you can. The knots are already bleached. This wig is actually ready to go. I'm just annoying and kind of just getting a couple of hairs out. You already know, pulling out my handy dandy notebook. No, my handy dandy hot combs. So I'm just gonna get this prepared. Go ahead and plug this up. Let that get hot for a second. Get all this hair out of the way. And you guys can see they've already pre-curled it for me. It looks like it was like maybe some flexi rod curls. I'm not sure. They're kind of like different patterns. So if you want to kind of go over the hair, you can. Yeah, it definitely looks like it was a flexi rod curl. Y'all, this is pretty. The hair is really soft. It's a nice dark color. So it almost looks black. I'm actually seeing a little bit of tones of dark brown. So I don't think that they've dyed this, which is really good, because obviously you want to be able to kind of do what you want with your units. The fact that I still have this on, I don't even want to cut the lace. Oh my God, this looks so good. Y'all, okay. And how you know, like, okay, first of all, let's just start here. The lace on this is already kind of frayed, like that Swiss fray. So I don't even want to take scissors like this to cut it. The trick to really kind of getting that flawless install is, let me show you. Once you already have your lace, and this is for any lace, like all together, you really want to make sure that once you cut this, you're using some type of razor that is uneven, because if you use scissors, it will give you that kind of straightaway line. But with this lace being so transparent, honestly, I wouldn't even have an issue with that. And I'm literally just gonna start to kind of cut away the lace. I tried to leave maybe about less than a centimeter of lace on, bro. I know that I'm being annoying right now, because like if I was watching this video, I'm like, girl, shut up. But no, you don't understand. Like, first of all, I obsess over wigs. This wig is immaculate. I cannot believe I took so long to do this damn review. Oh my God. No, this looks really good. So you just want to take your time with removing the lace. You guys can see, like, man, every time I find like a new favorite unit, it gets replaced like almost instantly. So I'm definitely doing a video at the end of the year for my top 5 companies to buy bundles from, and then top 5 companies to buy wigs from. Diva Wigs, y'all got it. y'all definitely will make this list because, yeah. Look at this. Look at how thin this is. And you guys see what I mean when I say that fray? Like, where's the lace? Bro. You just want to make sure to cut out your ear area. You can still customize the wig, right? I don't want you to be like, okay, just straight out the box we go. Alright, so, of course, this is a glueless unit. If you want, I know you guys ask me, what do you do with the sides? What do you do with the sides? If you don't want to use the mousse, of course, I do have videos to show you how to use the mousse. Lay this down and kind of go. You don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and take some Gotta Be Glue spray here just on the side. Boom, boom. Just a little bit. Just for the sake of you guys. Like, because I really, you know, I understand that y'all have an issue with the flat. So, you know, this is for you, baby. This is for you. We are in the, look at these curls, first of all. Okay. We are in the game, y'all. I got my hair pre-curled. Didn't have to do a thing to it. I'm over here talking about I need the flat iron or the flat hot comb, but I don't even think I need that, to be honest. I think I'm literally just gonna, no, I'm not. Y'all know I gotta do something. Gotta do something. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going to do a half up, half down just because my hair is not parted up under this and I don't want to do this wig any disservice. So I'm just going to quickly put this up. Now, of course, if you are not like a baby hair type of person, you can definitely stop here or continue to style it just like however you see fit, right? But for me, I do want to see what the baby hair on this unit looks like. So let's see if there is any. Okay, and there is some. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull these down. Y'all know my style of baby hair. I just like a little bit of jizz jazz in the front. Y'all, this is already even laying down. I cannot. Boom, boom, bow. We are holiday freaking ready. Let's just start there. Like, this is super duper cute. The density of the wig, I feel like could be just a teeny bit thicker, but that is something that you can select on the website, so keep that in mind. Yeah, I don't know. I'm loving, y'all. I'm loving this unit. I really am. Let me just kind of show you. Like, this looks really, really good, you guys. I'm extremely excited about it. I'm about to take a bunch of pictures. But nevertheless, thank you so much, Diva Wigs, for sending me this. I definitely appreciate it. They do also give you a baggie, so let me show you that. If you don't want to kind of, you know, have your wigs and things like that stored in a box and you want to, I guess, store them a different way, I don't know. There is a little baggie here, so you can literally just pop it in the bag. This is more so travel ready, now that I think about it. Put it in the bag, pop it in your suitcase, boom, you can swap out your wigs on your vacation. That's what I do, at least. I don't know, but I'm excited about it, you guys. Look at this. I don't think it gets any better than that, and like I said, it's still glueless. Like, oh Lord, y'all was not ready for that. I know y'all wasn't, because I was not ready. So I'm excited. But nevertheless, if you are not already subscribed, now is a good time to do that, and so that you never miss another video. Make sure that you turn on your post notifications. Comment down below, Sunflower Gang, hashtag Sunflower Gang if you've been here since the beginning. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babies.